Hi guys, hey, we are at my newest listing in West Point. I absolutely love this property. Not only are we on the corner lot with an massive RV parking area, this home has been completely updated. I want you to come inside and take a look at it for yourself. Come on in, you guys. I want you to take a look at this recently updated home. This home is just shy of 1,600 square feet, fully remodeled. I think you're really going to enjoy this property.
Welcome to the main gathering area where everything just flows seamlessly together into the dining room and to the kitchen. Here we have the updated kitchen with that gorgeous backsplash with the matte black faucet that just ties everything together perfectly. It's a gorgeous kitchen.
This home comes with 4 bedrooms. We have 3 upstairs and an amazing master downstairs that we're going to show you in a minute. I absolutely love the updated bathrooms in this home. We have quartz countertops in both bathrooms, gorgeous tile work, matte black fixtures and faucets. It's definitely one you want to see.
My absolute favorite part of this home is this amazing basement master suite. You can fit a queen or king size bed in here. You have a great sitting area and a private walkout right to the backyard. Plus a big walk-in closet with built-in shelving. For all of you shopping addicts out there, you'll have plenty of room to store your new clothes.
All the information about this great home is in those comments. Click on those and then
reach out to us for your private showing. We'd love the opportunity to show you this gorgeous home.
I'm Kristie Nelson with Keller Williams, and
I'm Alix Moore with Keller Williams.
And we'll see you guys soon.